So this is a great hack to use if you ever find yourself somewhere with an out-of-tune guitar and no tuner to tune by. Any great guitarist needs to learn the skill of tuning by ear. All right, one more trick. The 5th fret of a string is typically the same as the next string open. So our 6th string is E, but we're gonna play on the 5th fret. That's the A note, which is the same as our open A string. And then we go up to the 5th fret of A, it's D, just like the next string up. If we go up to the 5th fret of D, it's G, just like the next string up. Here's the one exception, it's the 4th fret of the 3rd string is the same as the 2nd string. But then we come back up to the 5th fret again, and it's the same as the 1st string. This is how you tune by ear. You just gotta make sure that 6th string is in tune, and then you play the 6th string, and you play the 5th string. My 5th string sounds a little bit lower than my 6th string, so I'm just gonna increase the 5th string just a tiny bit on my tuning key, and then I adjust until they sound the same, and then I jump up and I play the 5th fret of the 5th string, and I check the 4th string, and I tune the 4th string, and I go on. Again, that 3rd string is actually the 4th fret to tune that 2nd string. And then back up to the 5th fret on the 2nd string to tune the 1st. All right, freebies, my goal for you this week is to memorize all your notes on all your strings up to the 5th fret. Now remember, it's really only memorizing 5 strings because your 6th and 1st strings are the same. And as always, I would be happy to practice with you. In fact, I made a new version of Codenames where I play the code on my guitar and you'll decode it to figure out the word. If this lesson was helpful for you and you're ready to learn more chords and maybe even some new strums, please hit subscribe. Steppable, stackable, fast and free. Have your music lessons your way. Music is for everyone.